What's up, guys? So I do this to myself all the time. I always run out of supplies, so I always have to make these last minute runs. Tape, this is the tape we use, and then I'll show you some of the boxes. So this is the size. This is the most frequently used size box. It's one of the smallest ones they have, and then I use these ones, the 12 by 10 by 8. But I have plenty of boxes because, hold on, come on. I have plenty of boxes because I've been ordering them free from the post office, so that's good. That saves a bunch. But bubble wrap, we need bubble wrap, and then we need paper. Unfortunately, this is the one thing I absolutely hate spending money on. It's friggin' paper. I hate it. It's like you're literally throwing money out the window. And then there was something else I had to get. What the hell did I have to get? Tape, bubble wrap, paper. Was that it? I think that was it. You know we gotta check the clearance aisle. Alright, so I haven't been to this Walmart in a while. They moved the clearance aisle, so gotta get to the clearance aisle. Come on, man. Let's go. Pokemon. Oh, these things. I'm gonna have to switch to my iPhone. So we were checking out the Toy Story 4 headphones, but not really gonna get much. Does that say? Does that say 50 cents? Okay. At that point, it doesn't even matter how much it is. These are like junk. I tried doing these like water pads. They don't bring nothing in though. Nothing else really here. I'm gonna hop on, oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, no. Nope. I'm gonna hop on Brickseek, and I'm gonna see if there's anything that's supposed to be on sale that isn't on sale. And I'll be right back. So I'll have you guys look with me. I mean, they have this Squirtle Amiibo for $4. We might go to electronics, see if we can find that. What else? Anything else here, really? Limited stock. Anytime it says limited stock, don't even... But over here, Dead or Alive 6, $10. Okay. So it looks like over in electronics. Transformers Generation. Where is that? That's what we want to look for, right there. Transformers Generations, $4.50. Retails for $20. We're gonna check it out on. Let me see. Some of these games are garbage though. Like, they don't go for that much on Amazon, you know. We'll check it out, but so far that Transformers and that Squirtle Amiibo, Jurassic World, like, that seems like a good deal, but nobody's buying. When is Jurassic World popular right now? It's not even popular, so we might check it. Let's see. I think that's it. Lego, not marked down enough. Alright, let's see if we can find this Transformer. Where is it?
And you're eating it on the birthday.
Let's see if we can find it. But it's not here. It is not here. Which isn't surprising. You know something? I wonder. No, it's not here. Let's head over to electronics. It's one of the things to keep in mind when you're messing with Brickseek. Like literally 8 out of 10 times, you're not gonna find it. So you kind of have to be there first, and you know. All right, so we're looking for Dead or Alive 6 because we want to see if it's here. I don't see it. Well, we couldn't find any of the video games. They're usually the first to go. And honestly, Amazon was only selling that for like $20, so wouldn't have made much anyways. Yeah, we really didn't get anything. We just came here for supplies. We checked the clearance, and no go here for clearance. So we're gonna head to the checkout. And hustle another day.